How the Klan rose after the Civil War and reshaped America.
The year was 1865, the Civil War had ended, and 4 million people who were once enslaved were now free. For the first time in American history, black men and women could begin building their own futures. There was hope for land ownership, for education, and for the right to vote. But that hope sparked fear among the defeated Confederates. In Pulaski, Tennessee, a small group of ex-Confederate soldiers created what they first called a social club. It was not about socializing, it was about power. That group became the Ku Klux Klan, also known as the KKK.
Why was the Klan created after enslavement ended?
Because freedom for black Americans threatened the old order. The plantation system was broken, and political power was shifting. White supremacy, which had ruled the South for centuries, suddenly felt under attack. The Klan's answer was simple: just crush their freedom before it could take root. Their goals were clear: stop black people from voting and stop them from owning land. Stop them from building schools, and above all, stop them from being seen as equal citizens. The Klan called it defending American values, but in reality, it was a campaign of terror. Their tools were violence, intimidation, and fear. At night they rode on horseback in white robes and hoods. They burned homes. They punished men, women, and children. Anyone who dared to stand up was punished in public.
Did federal laws end the Klan or help it evolve?
At first, it looked like the Klan would be destroyed. In the early 1870s, President Ulysses S. Grant pushed Congress to act. The Enforcement Acts and the Ku Klux Klan Act of 1871 gave federal troops power to arrest and break the Klan's grip. Hundreds of Klansmen were jailed, some escaped, and their leaders went into hiding. For a brief moment, freedom seemed protected. But hate did not die, it just adjusted.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.